Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wix SEO settings for better rankings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wix account. From the dashboard, select the website you want to optimize. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Scroll down and find the SEO section. Click on SEO Tools to access your site's SEO settings. Start by reviewing the site title. Make sure it accurately reflects your business and includes relevant keywords. Next, check the site description. Ensure it is concise and provides a clear overview of your site content. Move on to the SEO basics. Here, confirm that your site's URL is user-friendly and includes keywords. Visit the SEO Patterns section. Set patterns for your page titles and descriptions for better consistency across your site. Now, head to the Page SEO section. Select individual pages and check their title and description settings. Make sure each page has unique titles and descriptions that align with their content. Review the Image SEO settings. Add alt text for images that describe the content accurately. This helps improve visibility in search results. Check the Mobile Optimization feature. Verify that your site is mobile-friendly, as this impacts SEO rankings. Next, look into the Redirects option. Ensure there are no broken links that could affect user experience and SEO. Finally, utilize the Site SEO reports. Generate a report to identify areas needing improvement. Analyze the report and implement the recommended changes. Once all settings are verified and optimized, publish your changes. Monitor your rankings over time using an SEO tool to track progress. Regularly revisit these settings to ensure ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.